Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a voice changer on Meta Quest 2, Quest 3, or Quest 3S without using a PC. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Search for the VoiceMod app and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the VoiceMod app and complete the setup. Now make sure your phone is connected to your Meta Quest headset. When setting up the microphone for your Meta Quest, choose your phone as the microphone input if your setup supports it. After that, open the VoiceMod app on your phone. Inside the app, browse through the available voice effects and select the one you want to use. Your voice will now be processed through the VoiceMod app while you're using your Meta Quest. You can switch between different voice effects anytime by opening the app and selecting another voice. And that's how you can use a voice changer on your Meta Quest 2, Quest 3, or Quest 3S without using a PC. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.